Air quality has taken a sharp hit following Diwali celebrations. Visibility has dropped significantly and pollution levels have soared, pushing the city into hazardous category. At Anand Vihar, the air quality index hit a hazardous 571 this morning. Meanwhile, Delhi's Narayana recorded an AQI of 333, which is again in the severe category. In nearby cities, Greater Noida's AQI reached 323. Faridabad recorded 326. Both in the severe range. Now, the sudden spike is being driven by multiple factors, including firecracker emissions, ongoing stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana, and weather conditions that trap pollutants close to the ground. Meanwhile, the Central Pollution Control Board reported that AQI levels near Akshardham stood at 350, at AIIMS at 342, and India Gate at 353 this morning, all in very poor category.
Delhi's air quality for the fourth consecutive day remains in the very poor category, leading to problem to different people, elderly as well as children across the national capital. Meanwhile, I'm reporting from the Akshardham flyover. You can see there's still a thick smog covering the entire national capital region. Now, there are different contributors to the pollution in the national capital, and at 36.06% of the total emission, the DSS, that is the Decision Support System, attributed the highest pollution load on Wednesday to the others category, which stands for unaccounted sources, and the category broadly covers unaccounted or out of inventory sources beyond the study radius used by the DSS emission inventory. And now, according to the DSS data, the transport sector was the second most significant contributor to Delhi's pollution at 15.77%. Now, meanwhile, the industrial contribution from the Delhi and the peripheral NCR area stood at 3.49%, while stubble burning contributed to 1.62% to Delhi's PM 2.5 load on Wednesday. Now, in the coming days, the experts believe that the pollution level in the national capital is going to increase because of the increase in the number of cases of stubble burning in the state of Punjab, and also adding to that, because of the unfavorably wind condition, the wind is going to carry the pollution from Punjab to Haryana and to the national capital, increasing the pollution level in the national capital, and the AQI level in the coming days is going to deteriorate further. Now, people are getting admitted to different hospitals in the national capital. People who have asthma, people who have problem of short breathing issues. So these people are getting admitted to different OPDs in different hospitals in the national capitals, and doctors have clearly advised that if it is not very important or essential, people should not step out of their houses, especially the children and the elderly people. And if they are stepping out of their house, then they should use mask at this particular time. With video journalist Rahul Singh, this is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for News 9.
After Diwali, the air quality across Delhi and NCR has severely deteriorated. If I talk about today, then also in several areas, the air quality index is above 300, and in few areas, it's even 400. Right now, I'm here at Anand Vihar, which is one of the hot spot of Delhi. And if I show you here on Sameer application, and it's showing 428, which means the air quality falls under severe category, and prolonged exposure could lead to serious respiratory illness. Here at AQI.in, which monitors the air quality index, then it also shows that the major air pollutant that are responsible for deteriorating air quality are particulate matter, which is PM 2.5, particulate matter PM 10, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Also, if we look around here at Anand Vihar, an area which is mostly known for rush, we can clearly see that how GRAP 2 measures are not being followed here. As under GRAP 2 measure, which is Graded Response Action Plan Phase 2, people were advised to use public vehicles instead of private vehicle, and also parking fees was increased just because to advise to help people focus on using public vehicle, but we can clearly see rush here. The traffic is quite high. And also in Delhi, we talk about the monitoring station, and out of 38 monitoring station, more than 30 plus are still showing the pollution level to be in red zone, the area to be in red zone. Although there is a decline in the stubble burning, but yet PM 2.5 has intensified a lot, leading to air pollution in Delhi NCR. With camera person Vijay Parnaja, News 9 Delhi.